Hello, grade 9 learners! Malapit na ba ang inyong summative test sa science? Today, sabay-sabay tayo mag-review sa mabilis, malinaw, at masayang paraan. Sa video na to, sasagutan natin ang 30 multiple choice reviewer questions tungkol sa electromagnetic radiation. So, ang practice test na to ay nakafocus sa mga learning competencies na nakikita nyo sa screen. So, kaya ihanda na ang inyong notebook, ballpen, at inyong scientific thinking. Let's find out if you're prepared for your summative test. Question number 1. The source of electromagnetic radiation is blank. A. Vibrating neutral particles. Letter B. Vibrating electrically charged particles. Letter C. Vibrating water molecules. And letter D. Vibrating magnets only. Okay, you have to choose the letter of the correct answer. The right answer is letter B. Vibrating electrically charged particles. Question number 2. Electromagnetic waves are classified as blank. A. Longitudinal. Letter B. Surface wave. Letter C. Transverse wave. D. Mechanical wave. Okay, the right answer is letter C. Transverse wave. Question number 3. Which property allows electromagnetic waves to travel through the vacuum of space? Letter A, they require air molecules. Letter B, they do not need a material medium. Letter C, they travel only in solids. Letter D, they are produced by sound. Okay, the right answer is letter B. They do not need a material medium. Question number 4. Which statement best describes electromagnetic radiation? Letter A. It is energy produced by vibrating charged particle that travels as transverse wave. Letter B. It is energy produced by vibrating air particle that travels as longitudinal wave. Letter C. It is energy produced by moving object that travels only through matter. Letter D. It is energy produced by vibrating neutral particles that travels as sound waves. The right answer is letter A. It is energy produced by vibrating charged particles that travel as transverse wave. Question number 5. Which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? Letter A, light. B, X-rays. C, sound wave. Letter D, gamma rays. The right answer is letter C, sound waves. Question number 6. Electromagnetic waves always travel at approximately blank in a vacuum. So letter A, 340 meter per second. Letter B, 3 times 10 raised to positive 8 meter per second. Letter C, 1,500 meter per second. Letter D, 30,000 meter per second. Right answer is letter B, 3 times 10 raised to the positive 8 meter per second. Question number 7. Which electromagnetic wave has the longest wavelength? Letter A, gamma rays. Letter B, X-ray. Letter C, radio waves. Letter D, ultraviolet rays. Right answer is letter C, radio waves. Question number 8. Which wave has the highest frequency? Letter A, radio waves. Letter B, microwave. Letter C, visible light. And letter D, gamma rays. The right answer is letter D, gamma rays. Question number 9. Which arrangement is from lowest frequency to highest frequency? Letter A, gamma ray, X-ray, UV ray, visible. Letter B, radio wave, microwave, infrared, visible. Letter C, visible. Letter B, letter C, visible, infrared, microwave, and radio wave. And letter D, gamma rays, visible, radio, and infrared. The right answer is letter B, radio wave, microwave, infrared, and the visible light. Okay, number 10. As wavelength decreases, frequency generally blank. Letter A, decreases. Letter B, remain the same. Letter C, increases. Letter D, become zero. The right answer is letter C, increases. Okay, let's proceed now with question number 11. Which color of visible light has the shortest wavelength? Letter A, red. Letter B, orange. Letter C, violet. Letter D, green. The right answer is letter C, violet. So this is question number 12. Which color has the longest wavelength? Letter A, violet. Letter B, blue. C, green. D, red. The right answer is letter D, red. Okay, let's proceed with question number 13. Infrared radiation is commonly associated with A, heat, B, radio communication, letter C, nuclear reaction, letter D, medical imaging only. The right answer is letter A, heat. Question number 14. Which waves lie between radio waves and infrared waves? Letter A, microwaves. Letter B, X-ray. Letter C, ultraviolet. Letter D, gamma rays. And the right answer is letter A, microwave. Okay, so this is question number 15. So, nasa kalahati na tayo ng ating review. Okay, question number 15. Which wave has more energy than ultraviolet light? Letter A, infrared. Letter B, microwave. Letter C, X-ray. Letter D, radio wave. The right answer is letter C, X-ray. Okay, so ilan na ba ang inyong score? Let's proceed now with number 16. Which electromagnetic wave is commonly used for radio broadcasting? Letter A, microwave. Letter B, X-rays. Letter C, radio wave. And letter D, gamma rays. The right answer is letter C, radio waves. Question number 17. Which electromagnetic wave is commonly used in television remote controls? Letter A, infrared. Letter B, microwave. Letter C, X-ray. And letter D, radio waves. The right answer is letter A, infrared. Question number 18. Which electromagnetic wave is commonly used to sterilize medical equipment and food products by destroying harmful microorganisms? Letter A, microwaves. Letter B, X-ray. Letter C, radio waves. And letter D, gamma rays. Right answer is letter D, gamma rays. Question number 19. Which characteristics makes visible light different from the other region of the electromagnetic spectrum? Letter A, it can travel only through air. Letter B, it can be directly detected by the human eye. Letter C, it has the highest frequency among all EM waves. Letter D, it is used primarily for medical imaging. The right answer is letter B. It can be directly detected by the human eye. Question number 20. Ultraviolet radiation is useful because it can blank. A. Cook food. Letter B. Sterilize medical equipment. Letter C. Broadcast radio signals. Letter D. Produce television images. The right answer is letter B. Sterilize medical equipment. Okay, so last 10 questions for our review. Number 21. X-rays are commonly used in blank. Letter A, medical imaging. Letter B, Wi-Fi communication. Letter C, television broadcasting. Letter D, radar system. The answer is letter A, medical imaging. Okay, question number 22. Gamma rays are used in medicine mainly to letter A, produce visible light. Letter B, treat certain cancers. Letter C, broadcast signals. Letter D, heat food. The right answer is letter B, treat certain cancers. Question number 23. Which EM wave is commonly used in Wi-Fi and satellite communication? Letter A, gamma rays. Letter B, microwaves. Letter C, ultraviolet. Letter D, X-rays. So the right answer is letter B, microwave. Okay, let's continue with question number 24. Which electromagnetic waves are considered ionizing radiation? Letter A, radio waves and microwaves. Letter B, infrared and visible light. Letter C, X-ray and gamma ray. Letter D, microwave and infrared. The right answer is letter C, X-rays and gamma rays. Okay, so number 25. Frequent, unnecessary exposure to X-ray should be avoided because they blank. Letter A, cannot penetrate skin. Letter B, may damage body cells and DNA. Letter C, improve immune response. Letter D, increase body temperature only. The right answer is letter B. They may damage body cells and DNA. Okay, so that's it for today. The next 5 questions will be continued in the next video review. Okay, thank you so much and God bless. Have a great day ahead.